Hi to everybody. I have a CB radio. Well, how about that? It's in surprisingly nice condition. I've actually got it opened up at the moment. It's in nice nick. It's a Harvard. So one of the regular well-known old style makes. We've got the correct microphone. Top panel. Thing panel. I've just opened it up. I'll explain why in a minute. But sadly, it's had its tale of woe. I'm not sure whether it's going to come back to life or not. I'll explain. So we've got the original microphone. I've taken the end off to investigate because it's had a sad life. For some reason, this end of the microphone with the plug on, which I've now taken off, has been used to stir paint. Yes, really, cream paint. It's full of paint here, full of paint inside the thing, so there's no way this would make connection and actually work. So I'm going to replace this with another plug because it's just pointless. It's full of paint, so that's going to be replaced. Another tale of woe. The original cable to connect it to the power had been lost. So therefore, the previous owner decided to stuff a bit of red and black wire in the connector on the back. But like so many people in the past, he connected it the wrong way round. So of course when you connect it the wrong way round, if you have a proper CB lead with the correct 2 amp fuse in it and you connect it the wrong way round, you will usually blow the fuse, and that's the end of the story. Replace the fuse and away you go, usually. But when there's no fuse to blow and you connect it the wrong way round, you start doing serious damage inside the radio. So that's why I've got it open at the moment. What has happened, there's a protective diode down there somewhere near where the cable goes in, as anybody that's serviced these things will know. And the protective diode is rated at maybe an amp, and that shorts out and blows a fuse. Sometimes you get away with it, you just replace the fuse, sometimes you have to replace the diode. But in this case, let's get the glasses job, I think. And because there was no fuse, just a cable jammed in the back, it's actually burnt the printed circuit board out. And there's an actual damage on the PCB there because the power going the wrong way round into the diode couldn't blow a fuse, so it's burnt out this link. And this is a bit of failing on this model because once it's burnt out that link to the protective diode, the power continues on into the radio the wrong way round because, you know, it's such a fragile little point that just blows and the diode comes out of circuit, which should have protected everything, and then you have the power the wrong way round continuing on into the radio. So the problem now is to find out what has been damaged in the radio. But I haven't got the correct power lead to connect it up. And so there is no way on earth I'm going to attempt to connect power onto this set to test it without a correctly fused lead. So now we're waiting for the postman to bring us a lead with a fuse in for this make and model, and then we'll carry on and see if we can restore this poor little Harvard to life. It's such a shame. I mean, it's in lovely condition, for its age, really is, and so cruel that it had been destroyed for the sake of a 2 amp fuse. So watch this space and we'll see what happens.